Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to check your graphics card on Windows 11. It is the video that you will find your graphics card name, its model number and how many GBs are there in your graphics card. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do, you need to press Windows key plus R. Then you need to type in DXDIAG, type that on. After going to the run command, go OK with this. After that it will see like that and you need to select this yes option, and now it will load for some time. Let's just have a look, and as you can see in my display one, after clicking on that you will see my graphics card and its name, manufacturer, chip number, model number, and how many GBs VRAM over here. You can see that as well. So I've shown you in this video how you can check your graphics card on Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.